Hi again! So the second part of this tutorial is to show you how to remove. So first we did move, where we had this one before, and we have the after, right, where we have simply moved it. What remove means is that it's going to disappear and you're not going to place it anywhere else. For this assignment, I'm going to say, let's say that I'm going to remove this part of the chair. Obviously for you, maybe you're going to remove a plant, a tree, a branch, something like that. But I'm just going to pick this small piece. So to remove an item, you're going to use a lot of the same steps that we did with the clone stamping. This time I'm going to make a new blank layer. This one I'm going to call remove versus move, right? Because I want to make sure that I know if I make a mistake, I can always go back. So I'm going to call this one remove. And again, I'm going to use my clone stamp tool. I'm going to hold down my option key again to source, and then I'm going to click over. Now, again, look at those crosshairs. I don't want to go up too high because then all of a sudden you can see I'm adding this line right here to here, which I don't want. So when we get up here, I'm actually going to option click right on that line, and you're just going to keep following it through and through because you really don't want to, you want to make sure everything looks seamless. I'm going to option click here and try to continue that line through and through. I'm going to go here to option click and I'm going to get rid of this. Okay, I'm trying to smooth it out. Once you get down here, I'm going to option click and I'm going to hold down that line so that it's nice and smooth. Get rid of that chair completely. So even though it was small, it was removed, and you still maintain these lines here. You still maintain that that's strong line. It doesn't look fuzzy or anything like that. So that is how you remove. You don't have to place it anywhere else. You're simply removing it so it's no longer in the image.